Morning, y'all. It's Sunday, the 3rd of September. It's around 11:30, and I'm at the intersection of Washington and Main Street. And I had several people ask me to film some other parts of Greenville, so I thought I would make a short video. That's the Live Oak Cemetery. It's a black cemetery. I believe Holt Collier is buried there. There's Sherman's in South Main. This is Bowman Boulevard we're crossing. And over here to the left is Terrace Gardens. I've made several videos on Terrace Gardens. You can look at my YouTube channel and find them. We're on South Main Street. And anybody I grew up with back in the 60s knew that this house over here was Claney's house. It's one of the few antebellum houses left in Mississippi Delta. To Bayou Road. Well, we'll take a little detour. This is Idlewild Drive. Some beautiful houses. Live right there. That's where the Farrs live. Before all this was developed, it was a cotton plantation. And I believe it was owned by J.O. Smith, who lived right up here on the left. Taylor Harding lived there. Sylvie's lived there. That's where Pye Percy lived and lives. And this was where J.O. Smith lived. The house is completely different now. Kathy Mowings lived there. And Alan Alexander lived right next door. That was a house I was raised in. It's completely different now. And this is where my best friend Van Whitfield lived and his family. Judy McMillan. And Pat Leonard lived here. And that's where Johnny Kirk lived. Jim Lipscomb, that's a beautiful house. This is Tampa Drive, folks. This goes from South Main over to Highway 82 West. And this little church has been here ever since I can remember. I believe it used to be a frame church. Y'all, those buildings on up there used to be a rendering plant. That's where they made dog food out of horses.